Hello, everyone. Ready to create a truly standout Shopify store with a single product? Today, we're going to learn how to design the perfect theme for a single product, transforming your store into an unforgettable brand experience. Selling a single product has tons of advantages. You can focus all your marketing efforts, simplify inventory management, and most importantly, build a super powerful brand narrative around a single star item. Get ready because we're going to turn your store into a customer magnet. Getting started with Shopify and analyzing successful examples first things first. Let's open our browser, and of course, we should already have our Shopify account logged in. Your dashboard is your hub, so make sure you're ready to get started. To help you see the potential of this approach, I'm going to show you an example of a store that sells a single product and does it incredibly well. This Shopify store is called Cookie Chips. It's not just a cookie store. It's an experience built around a single product. Its design is clean, the product image is prominent, and every element on the page is designed to highlight the cookie chips. There are no distractions, just a clear focus on what they're selling. This creates a sense of exclusivity and helps the customer immediately understand what makes this product special. We want to achieve something similar with your own store, where the focus is entirely on your flagship product. Selecting the ideal theme on Shopify. Now, I'll show you how to create something similar with your store. From your Shopify dashboard, look for the Themes option. This will take you to the section where you can manage your store's appearance. There are several themes you can use. Shopify offers a wide variety of themes, both free and paid, each with different designs and features. For this type of store where the emphasis is on a single product, we need a theme that is minimalist, visually appealing, and allows for large images to stand out. This is crucial for immediately capturing attention. In my case, I'll be using the Dawn theme, which I already have added to my store. It's an excellent free Shopify option, very versatile and with a modern design. If you don't have it, you can add it directly from the Shopify theme store. Remember that choosing a theme is crucial, as it's the canvas on which you'll build your brand. Take your time to explore and find the one that best suits your product's aesthetic. Adding your star product. Before customizing the theme, we need to add our product to the store. In the Shopify dashboard, go to Products and then Add Product. Here you'll enter all the information for your item: the title, a detailed description, the price, variants if you have them, and, most importantly, high-quality images. In my case, I have this example product ready to use. This will be the main product in our store, so make sure all the information is impeccable and the photos are professional. Customizing your theme for a single product. Now, we'll return to the Themes section and click Customize. This will take you to the Shopify Theme Editor, where you can modify your store's appearance in real time. The first thing we'll do is focus on the main banner section. This is where visual impact is most important. We need to enter a large, high-resolution image of our single product that captures the essence of what we're selling. Shopify offers good stock images that you can use if you don't have your own. Just search for the theme or category and you'll find many options. However, for a single product store, I highly recommend investing in professional photography of your product. This will make a world of difference. The image should be the center of attention. Once you have the image, we need to edit the text to match the image. Make it a catchy title for the product you're selling. Think of a slogan or phrase that will immediately capture attention and highlight the main benefit of your product. For example, if you're selling a water bottle, the title could be Elegant Hydration for your day. You can also include a subtitle, like a slogan that complements the title and reinforces the message. For example, minimal design, maximum performance. The idea is that just by seeing the image and text of the banner, the customer understands what your product is about and why they need it. Additional details and product layout. Now, if you want a logo image for your brand, you should click on the top left corner of the banner. Here you can choose an image for your logo. Make sure it's simple, memorable, and works well in different sizes. A good logo is the visual identity of your brand. Further down the main page, you'll see the product we added, which will be the sole and main product in our store. Make sure the product section is clean and clearly displays all relevant information. The price, a prominent Add to Cart button, and perhaps some reviews if you already have them. The product layout should be intuitive and easy to navigate. Remember, less is more when it comes to a single product store. We want the customer to focus on one thing: saving and viewing your creation. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, simply click Save to save all the settings. This will apply the modifications to your live store. You can preview your store to make sure everything looks perfect. As you can see, this is what a single product store would look like on Shopify. It's a clean, focused design that effectively communicates the value of your item. This approach not only simplifies the user experience, but also strengthens your product's brand, making it memorable and distinctive. There you have it. You created a Shopify store optimized for selling a single product. I hope this tutorial has been helpful as you take the next step in your e-commerce adventure. The key is simplicity, quality images, and a clear brand message. I'll sign off for now, but before you go, what unique product are you thinking of selling on your Shopify store? I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments.